Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I am doing my Partners in Cream update project pan. This is a collaboration that was created by Steph and Delyn. As always, I will link them down below, as well as the playlist of the many individuals that have joined in this project pan. So in this project pan, it's all about cream products, as you guys know by now at this point. So I have my 5 products that I'm sharing with you guys today. Some products I may be rolling out, some I may be rolling in, who knows. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of project pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the update. I hope you guys don't mind me wearing a baseball hat today and braids because I've been outside all day with a hat and there's no way I was going to do my hair to film. So now that I have calmed down, it is beautiful out. I don't even know if I got a tan. I was hoping for a tan, but who knows. Anyway, so let's go on with these cream products. I'm very, very excited about some of these and we're getting there. We're getting there, you guys. All right, so let's start out with the first one. This is my Annabelle Big Show lip gloss in rose gold. As you guys know, I have been scraping on these. I am wearing it today on top of this lipstick and I have been enjoying it. Every time I wear lip products now, I've been wearing this on top and it's just gorgeous. I will say that every time I pull out the wand, I have a harder time getting product, and I can actually see all the way down the tube. I don't know if you guys can, but I can personally see all the way down this tube. Yep, there is not that much product left in here at all. I can clearly see right through it. So I'm going to say at most, this is going to be another 2 months. At most, depending on how often I've been using it, or I will be using it, because I've been using it quite often and I really have been enjoying this one. So I'm very excited that I at least got to use that one up that Lisa had gifted to me a while back. Next product that we have is Matcha the Serum Stick. All right, so I've been slacking a little bit about the last week and a half on my evening nighttime skincare routine. I just got lazier, to be honest with you, and I haven't been using a lot of my skincare routine, but I will say if you look at the tallies, I did good damage on this one. I did not think I did. So this is how much we have left, you guys, and I'm very, very excited. I did not know I only had this much left. Again, I repeat this every time, I don't keep an eye on my products until I actually do an update. Then I see how much I've used up, and this one surprised me very much. So if I continue this might be another month and a half. So that's not too bad. I think about another month and a half and I should be finished with that one. Now let's go on with my NARS Dulce Vida liquid blush. So this is the blush that I'm wearing today, you guys. So here is where we started. Here is the first update. Here's the second one. And here is where we are right now. And as you guys can see, that is exactly basically half of this bottle, if that. This bottle goes a little bit more shallow at the bottom, so I might be even more than that, which I'm very proud of myself. My goal was just to get more use out of this blush. And then after I realized how well and how consistent I've been using it, I wanted to do half of the bottle, and I did, you guys. When this settles, you can clearly see the line of demarcation where it sets. So I'm very proud of myself. So if I allow myself to get back to this blush in the future, if I give myself another 3 to 4 months of this, I could use this completely up. But since it is springtime and I'm excited to wear springy colors, I am finally going to roll this out and bring in my next shade of this brand, of this line basically. So I'm happy to say that at least got use out of this. And if this does dry up for any reason, weird reason, which I don't think it should because it is a pump, so I don't think it should dry up. But if it does, at least I don't feel bad knowing that I didn't get to use any of it. So very excited. I met my goal on this one. So this one will be rolled out. We'll roll out the new one in a second. Now let's move on to this Chelsea NARS lip lacquer situation. Can you tell by my face how excited I am for this product? Okay, I hustled. Let me tell you guys, I have hustled with this product. Anytime since about the last week, if you see me wear a lip product on camera or at home, I have been applying and reapplying this sucker like it is my business. Like seriously, I am gaining money out of this sucker. So I am proud to say, if you guys can see from the update picture, I am done with this. Look at this, you guys. I'm completely finished with this one. It took me so many uses out of this. I'm telling you, I was like its slave. Basically, I was addicted to this thing. I used it every chance I got. Even if I wasn't wearing any makeup and I needed some sort of lip balm, I used this thing up. I became dedicated to it. Did I like every second of it? No. I hated the fact, and I hate is a strong word, the fact that I had to keep grabbing a lip brush. I have a whole container here dedicated to lip brushes solely for this product because I needed to use this sucker up. I will not And I do not want any potted lip products ever again. I just don't like that. I don't like it. I'm happy that I got my money's worth out of this, even though this was so old, but I got use out of it. I will clean this out and keep this container because I can reuse this for other things. Finally, you guys, I'm done with this one. I'm done. This has made me realize how much I enjoy a wand lip gloss, like a wanded lip gloss, so much better. So finally get to roll out a second product out of here. And my last product was this MAC cream color base in the color Pearl. So if you guys can see from the picture or the video, whatever it is, I don't even know what I'm putting up anymore. I'm done with this one as well. I did not expect to be finished with this one at all. But these are rather easy for me to use. This is my second one that I have used up. I have 2 more in my collection, but I'm trying to switch up my products to get everything used up. So this is done. Another back to MAC. I'm very excited about this one. I like this one a lot more than Luna, which is the pure white base that I used last year. This one was a lot more of a gold warmer undertone to it, so I really enjoyed this one. Would I repurchase this? The only way I would repurchase any of these, and I think there's another color that I prefer more, solely because if I'm going to purchase any of these, it will be to highlight my face, not to use it as a base. I'm using these as a base now because it helps with my mattifying foundations, but that's not the purpose of these, so I don't want to buy them for that. I would rather buy the one shade that I like to actually use on the high points of my face, and I believe that one's Hush. So no, I wouldn't repurchase this one, to be honest with you. I'm gonna go buy that. I would not repurchase it. All right, you guys, so there are my 5. So we're gonna continue with these 2. These 2 are still in the running, which they're making great progress. I'm very proud of myself for those 2. I am going to be rolling 1, 2, and 3 products in this time around. So give me a second and I'm going to pull those products out. All right, you guys, so I have pulled out my products, but there are certain ones that I might need your help with. So let's start out with the first one. To replace my cream highlighter that I've been using, I'm going to use my very last Laura Geller Easy Stick illuminator that I have. This is in Gilded Honey. You guys know that these are rather easy for me to use up. This is the last one that I have. So it's practically brand new. I've only used it for about a week, so it's not too bad. I'm wearing it today on my face. My goal is to completely use this one up. It may take me the whole month. It may take me a month and a half. That's okay. So this is what I'm going to roll in. It is a cream product. Oh, let me show you a swatch of this so you guys can see it. Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty. I love these, you guys. If you want something to highlight your face but be natural and no glitter, these I would definitely recommend to use. The next one that I'm going to roll in is this cream blush, or the liquid blush I should say. This one is an Orgasm, so we're going to use Orgasm. It is brand new. It doesn't have anything. I'm just going to shake this sucker up because it's been a very long time since I used it. So yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. So that's what it looks like. That's a very heavy swatch, you guys. So don't mind that. We're going to use this sucker up. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it'll look really, really pretty. Let me just wipe this down because then if not, I'm going to get it everywhere. But I think it's going to look gorgeous for the springtime. So I went with Orgasm for the springtime. And I don't think I've used this that much. I know I use Dolce Vita a lot more. Now for the last product to replace this NARS Chelsea lip lacquer. I have been enjoying using lip glosses lately, but I can't decide between the 2 that I want to use. So I'm going to leave it to you guys. In the comment section, I will have a pinned comment. Down below that pinned comment, please reply back to which one should I pan next. This is the only project pan where I have lip products in. So I want to continue to at least have 2 in this product going to give myself a variety and to kind of go through my products a little bit more. So the first one I want to show you guys, I don't know, you might be able to see where I am at with this one. This is the Lorac, what are these? The Lorac Lip Luster Cream in Tiara. And as you guys can see, like there's like some sort of breakage right there. So I think I am about right there with this lip gloss. This is a very, very nude lip gloss, but I thought it's a warmer nude. So I figured it might be nice for the summertime. So that's what that one looks like. So either Tiara, which is the first one, or this one. I don't know if you guys remember this one. This is from Kat Von D, and this is her subliminal lip gloss. And you guys can clearly see I am right there with this one. This one's like a holographic one. It's really cool looking and it shifts. So I figured, Well, these two are my next two oldest lip glosses in my collection. So I figured, I don't know which one to use. I can't decide because I do like both of them. And they both can go really nice with any lip product that I use throughout the whole entire summer. So in the comment section, which one should I use? The KVD, now that it's no longer called Kat Von D, it's KVD one, or the Lorac? Which one should I pan alongside this one? Because this one's about to be done. So whichever one doesn't win now will be used up later. You know what I mean? Like, they're both going to eventually be in this project pan. It's just which one should I start off with first? So you guys going to have to let me know in the comment section because you guys are awesome at picking for me. I'm terrible at making decisions like this, and you guys are always great at this. So I will check down 24 hours you guys got. After 24 hours, I will pick the one that wins, so that way I can start using it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend, you guys. You'll probably see another video on Sunday alongside me. I hope you guys are enjoying your time at home. I'll put more videos right over here for your enjoyment. Stay safe. Until then, bye guys.